The Odalit Teeth Restoration Powder has received mixed reviews, with some users praising its effectiveness while others remain skeptical. The product claims to restore enamel, whiten teeth, and improve oral health, but its actual results seem to vary. Some users report noticeable whitening and smoother teeth after a few weeks of use, while others struggle to see any significant changes. A few reviewers have raised concerns about the product's origin, particularly its manufacturing in China, which was not disclosed upfront. Additionally, some users suspect that the powder may not contain all the ingredients necessary for true enamel restoration. While it may offer some benefits, experts recommend consulting a dentist for reliable solutions to dental issues rather than relying solely on mineral powders. If you're considering Odalit, it may be worth testing cautiously while keeping realistic expectations.